Hi everyone. Today's debate and our topic is social media's pros or cons. So I think social media have both advantage and disadvantage. But I have to speak on the advantages of social media. So social media have many advantages like it helps us to connect with the family, friends who is living any corner of the world. It helps us to get a news about anything happening in the any corner of the world at very instantly. So social media have a very advantage, many advantages. Social media plays an incredible role in our modern life. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, they connect millions of people over the world. So it have also an advantage and a disadvantage. Now we have about the advantages of social media. It connects the people worldwide in a real time, and people can talk with friends, family, and professionals. So it's good. That's all. Social media have many disadvantages also. We spend lot of time on a social media by scrolling reels, watching something which is for entertainment. But we spend lot time on this. We waste our very effective time on scrolling reels. So it will be also a
But social media the advantage is a global communication, like a connected easily friend via voice message.
Hello guys, topic is social media, good and bad. I will tell that she told that we can connect it from phone anywhere and any place, but some rural area that was impossible because they have a not having a smartphone and they have a button phone. They not usually use the video calls and not sending the message, not having WhatsApp also. So it types of that village. Some village are also there in some lower class village, and some they do not have a proper smartphone to use and send any messages to anyone. It was difficult to us. Only phone calls available for them.
No, bro. In the same time, everyone have a smartphone and.
Area is not that.
but in this time we are living in a modern era, so every one have a smartphone and they can use smartphone. We are living in this society. There is a multiple problems. Like one problem is unemployment. Social media also create employment. Like creators make videos and upload, and they earn money. So it also create a job opportunity and explore the ideas and showcase the extracurricular activities in social media. So they can earn money using social media. But at the same time, social media also is the reason for unemployment because many people spend time there and waste their valuable time. Many people are watching the motivational videos and educational video, but they don't actually learn something and they don't actually work on it. They only wasting their time. So social media also create unemployment.
But social media, social more many the videos that like educations and social media provide more than videos and good educations. So you are we are use right way. So it's also good.
But if we watch educational video, because there is a many thing on the smartphone. If you use social media there, you can get distracted by someone's message or something. So it is very difficult to study on a social media. Yes, we can't use don't. But on social media, there are very privacy concern. If we use post anything on social media, anyone can use your content and use it in a different way. You can see that there is a rise in case of deepfake videos. Many your image are used and can be used as a use of AI and can be altered your photo and it effect on your character. So these are the disadvantages of social media.
And I will tell that in Bangladesh nowadays some happen in there is many problems in Bangladesh, and the social media we can the people are going outside and outed from the parliament and their president, so it will affect to social media. They are coming and outing their parliament to solve that problem that social media is misusing another persons who are in Bangladesh. Like some people are fighting to each other and not proper manner to stay their life.
But it is possible through social media we are able to listen that news and act on something that government because of only social media.
And in this time also people can use the constitution rule like in the social media. If any problems happen, so they can post the social media and government can easily access. So people can use as a constitution like social media.
social media.
But on social media, many fake news are circulated very quickly. So it is easy to make a balance and rights in any country. So it can promote hate speech violence on the social media platform. So if you want to enrich any country like Bangladesh, you see that any of the social media campaign started on their platform. So they can brainwash the people of that country, and the violence is very increasing nowadays. The country is totally unrest. There is no any government there to control. So this is the disadvantage nowadays, that it is so much harmful that they can unrest any country.
But now you see in Twitter, if you send any fake news, they have restricted that news. So it's good social media.
But there are many types of social media, Twitter,
But
YouTube, many.
true news, you can
You can visit the official government site in a Twitter and verify the news.
But in this time, many people use fake account, like Instagram, Facebook, and other.
Many people are aware about that.
And if you are going official page and report them, it will
This type of social
take a
media
time for a
here-
human to see that what will happen and what they will not process faster. It will take time.
The answer is that government can post the every news in an official page. Like Indian Army have also a official page. If any what happens in our country, they can post the whatever post in an official page, so you can verify that the official page. You can believe on the government and official sites. You can't believe on the Instagram, YouTube news.
But the fake news is spread quickly before government official website posted it.
And
The
every
fake
people-
news is spread all over the country. You have seen at the time of Operation Sindoor, many media that we captured to the Lahore and Karachi, but actually there is nothing happened. So this is the disadvantage.
but in Twitter,
Our Indian Army also informed
side
in
of-
operations in a step by step, and every second they posted what's happened.
Yes,
So,
but many
I-
people are not aware about
That news.
Yes, the fake news is spreaded very quickly. Many people still believe that we reached Karachi.
Sometimes national media is also posted a fake news.
Yes, then how we can believe on that news?
but in Twitter, the side of Twitter department, they are restricted this type of news.
But
You see
social
that-
media is not about only Twitter. There are many other
Yes, many platforms are there.
platforms.
If you serious know about true news, you can visit on Twitter platform. They have provided true
Only
news.
Twitter is not there for like social media. Social media have
Yeah.
many connected applications. Any other social media
Oh,
Like Instagram, Facebook.
Only
Now
Twitter.
nowadays many developers are developing, and they are creating many types of apps, sites, and they have sended the news. Going their sites have you see irregular false. So if you guess about know about true news, you can visit only official sites and only official social media.
In a village area cannot reach the jobs and many more things. So media they can easily reach the jobs vacancy using social media. There is multiple platform like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, and many more things. They can easily reach to the job vacancy and many more things.
But lower people are not having the social medias. they not afford the financial condition not well, so they are not having any social media.
So it's an exception.
Only cause of this
I
media,
am not saying
poor students,
in
yeah.
urban area I said in
Only cause of
Say
media.
rural people reach easily through the social media because they don't know about the what's happening in our society, and they don't know the what government can release the vacancy, and the private companies how many release the vacancy. So using social media they can reach easily, especially in a rural area.
Only cause of social media, many poor students can take best faculty education. They are affordable price. That's only social
Yes, and
media.
free of cost they can explore the world.
But every
of
poor
world
student
knowledge
has no
through internet.
smartphone.
It's now smartphone available in affordable price. You can see there only 5,000 and even 3,000 phones in available.
yes I see.
But it has network problem.
So
network
government can
problem
also provide a scholarship in a 10th and 12th. So you can buy my scholarship.
Yes, and completed
You can-
10th and 12th they will
you can
provide a
go-
laptop also.
You can go that place. Their internet's going fast, and you must be download that videos. You have to learn easy from anything.
This time all over the world networks good work like 5G, 4G.
Yes, so nowadays mobile are very accessible to the children also, so this become a disadvantage because also children generally go to social media and they are seeing there so much violence and sexual content. This is very which is very not regulated on that platform, so it is become very bad for their mental health. These are the disadvantages of social media.
But there in social media that they have given concern. You are in low, you have to about 18 years. You have to choose that option. And the parent rule also given on your phones.
But
You have
everywhere-
to-
But
every-
social media is also good for our educations, like use classes, use YouTube.
But parents, every parents don't control everywhere
Their children.
their children.
Yes,
Many people, many child are having cyber harassed there. Many of the comments are not so good that affect the mental health of any child
Yeah.
who is using the social media.
Social media affect the mental health of many children, and people compare their life with people who achieve many things in their life, and they destroy their mental health. Disadvantages of social media. People compare their life with people who achieve so many things in their life, and they destroy their mental health.
But without using of social media, you can't live in our modern society because in a day there is multiple works done by using social media. You can't live in our modern society without using of social
But
media.
so
So
many people are not aware about the good side of social media. They
So-
use bad things.
Yeah.
Which destroy
Yeah, bad
their mental
content.
health.
so you can use in a right way and
Yes, we use, but so
How you
many
are-
and in a productive way.
Aware
they
them
are
to
not aware.
use the bad good things.
They
It's
consume bad
depends on that
things.
person.
I am telling that how you aware
Not
that,
on one
that
person.
who are seeing the bad
It's
things
that
and
that
how,
person.
how you are aware to them to get a good things, a good life.
Repeat.
Repeat once, what is
I am saying that many people are saying bad things. He is telling already. He is already told many people are the good things, but I said many people are seeing bad things. The people who are not seeing the good things, how you aware them to good things to good life for social media.
It is depends on that person types of mentality they have. Depends on that person what types of
If are you curious about your career, so you can use in a right way. And if you lost your career, so you can use in a bad way.
Yes, but it is very hard to control by using phone, because when we using watching reels, we get a dopamine in our mind. So it gives us a pleasure. So it is a biological condition. We can't.
One option is given there. You have to set time.
Only 1 hour and then
Yes, but after
then
1 hour,
Instagram
my
is,
mind said that we should remove that time and spend some more hours.
But we don't control our mind.
Many people, you can't.
If you go anywhere, if you meet any doctors,
No doctor has a medicine for this. No doctor can give this medicine for this. No.
doctors advise you.
They advise only not to use mobile. Doctor, first thing doctor advised that you should take a break from social media. This is the only advice he is for this.
But without you can't.
like online
Social media saves time.
You can order and also easily deliver our 10 minutes and Flipkart. Also good.
Yes, but it is very difficult for them who carry your products to your
Home.
home. Recently,
Their life.
yes, recently there is a
They
promise
have
for
less
financial
salary and doing more job.
If you are going more tired due to more work, you have to refresh through social media yourself. Advantage of social media.
Refreshing the social media will take a lot of time. We can refreshing more things, not controlling ourselves.
You have to set your time.
you are addicted to the social media, so you can meet with the doctor.
This is the problem. People are addicted to problem. Yes.
Use the right way, not unload.
Social media good for marketing and business. Media good for marketing and business. Top worth marketing.
Only 15 minutes left.
Now you tell bad things.
No, I will ask.
Yes, he
How-
said that using social media, our marketing is easily increased, and also in a marketing there is multiple job like freelance, finance, and advertisement, many more things.
Now take reverse.
Social media, many people can advertise their product.
Many people connect with family and friends from social media. This is the advantage of social media.
I will say that in any foreign country and we visit any outer of country, we can phone and we can connect from there also. It will easy to connect by video call and WhatsApp chat we can, because it was nice for connecting the people, because nowadays the people are connecting to each other, but it social media helps connect the people regularly basis.
I have to say on his call, he is telling person take connect everybody easily. Social media, person's relationship can break easily through social media in short time.
I also mentioned one point.
Good for them, they focus on their career. No, that's
Okay, you have to suffering some problems and you that have some money and have something you should do that works. And what that times your mind get disturbed and you tell something else person.
What something
So in short time your relationship is going break. It is happened only social media. It is
I also mentioned one
disadvantage
point.
of
Yeah, one point.
Yes, sir.
Social media, a big relationship like face to face. If people with friends, with princess and many more, they can busy on their phones, and they can meet, but they can scroll reels and using phones. So it also decreases the and break the relation using social media.
Not break, bro.
Yes.
Example that Shima Hazar and Sachin Hazar come to India.
Makes a relationship best. Yes, it helps to connect the people from another country. This is a good
But they have give more time on there. They will
Also best time.
with the strong relationship. But I am telling you, in short times, any relation news won't break.
My answer is
Through
that
social
face-to-face and interaction is decreases using social media. Means friends can meet together, but they can use only on phone. They can't talk with together. So it sometimes it break relationship.
But
use the social media and
recently I see that Narendra Modi had met England president. It was nice because other country president is meeting to Modi is nice because it helps to our economic conditions what we generally have. It will help to social media because Narendra Modi have chat one girl, so it was connected like that. We can say anything.
You have saying you have said Narendra Modi meets Australian.
England president.
Now through social medias, any two countries and any two countries going on position of war. If somebody tells on something and somebody comments on something on countries, they have to respond. They have to respond that comments and this is continuously going on, and time they have to going to war.
Yes, it converted in war.
It disadvantage of
But not in war because Narendra Modi is connected heart to heart, so it was nice because a relationship of it was connected for taking a missile from their country and it helps to our country.
So through
Social media it helps to us for getting a more connected from there.
So Narendra Modi also talked with American president. So why?
Yes, it helps to better relation between India and Italy because our Prime Minister having checked.
but through social media, our enemy seen over the conversation, and they have to create some bads for our countries. It happens only social media. It is disadvantage of social media.
It has
But
Mumbai attacks.
social media also build the relation between two countries.
Yes.
People.
So why Pakistan created a ban in India?
Yes.
But
Because Pakistan not understanding there.
yes, Pakistan is
Because no, people are not understanding
yes.
how they are
So
using
why
the social
Bangladesh banned the IPL in Bangladesh?
Yes.
Sometimes people don't able to show his talent or her talent. They use they famous through social media. This is the advantage of social media.
But in recent time, more increase of fraud and cyber crimes and also create a fake.
They do able to show his or her talent.
In a social media, people can showcase only of goodness of our life. They don't post in a badness of our life. What happens in our life, they can't post, and they can use filters, edited videos. So sometimes it creates confusion in our society.
Yes.
Yeah, is a good. Nowadays, Dhumi is viral.
So after some day, social media, a lot of people meet with him, and they feel more anxiety and depression.
Yes.
misusing and reading comments, ice program.
You use surveillance.
Not sunglasses. Tie with sunglasses. Tie with sunglasses.
Social media, somebody have going scammed. They have lost their money. They have lost their personal data. Going depressions. Medias over there.
But we can use a proper manner. We can
It depends on you.
You don't allow.
In this time,
Cybercrime not depends on their proper manner. It's
aware from the social media because now people are not aware that.
But in this time, every personal data, photos, videos uploaded in a so hackers can use videos and it demand and by calling and by messages they can send the malware links and using unwanted links they can perform the hacks and your lost your personal data and also you lost the financial.
But we have a privacy, so it was nice to get a it was nice to protect ourselves because social media have a privacy things to protect our photo and not circulate from others. We can aware to people to not circulate to others.
There is no privacy in social media. Whatever you done,
Yes, they have.
they are all
Yeah.
they are all information accessed by the government. If you use any misuses, so government can access your all personal and privacy data. So there is not encryption in a social media.
What is wrong with someone? You go on police station and complain about it. Go on cyber city and you complain about it.
The incident.
Yes,
Cybercrime branch.
They face the
You also should go to cybercrime branch.
For this type of crime,
But in this time, Samrat Chaudhary launched the digital cases. Yes, so you can easily using digital case in a home, so you can easily yes.
by your phone.
Social media have a railway station that they have a train ticket books from social media. You can internet, we can use them and we can easily book the tickets from train and airlines. We can. It was easy thing. We can in home you can easy to proceed and we can book the tickets. So it was easy.
But it done by using the online payments. So if someone haven't any online payments, so they can't book the online tickets. So they can go to the counter and book the ticket.
The problem that they don't have some, it's not about social media.
So social media is depend upon the internet. So if someone haven't internet, so they can't book the ticket and they can't check the status because social media is depend upon the internet. As and day by day internet is.
From 4G to 5G. Yes.
Yes. One day is 7G.
Education. At the time of Corona, we have seen that all the school and colleges are closed, but we still have managed to study through the online apps, through the Zoom or Google Meets, many other options available. So it is advantage that this is available at that time, so we can use this technology. This is the advantage.
In a COVID-19 time, there is multiple fake news viral in a viral through vaccines and many more things. So people can confuse with the use of social media because in the COVID-19 time, there is multiple news rapidly.
But they were used from in website and they have vaccine from there also. Then government have provided a thing what they have people.
But that time people can confuse and more feel dangerous. So if anyone can fake news, so they can feel like correct news. So they can so the more confusion created in our society.
It helps to aware people about the vaccines. We get knowledge about what are the benefits and side effects of the vaccine. So it helps in us during the COVID time because we get to know that what are the options of vaccines available, what are the side effects. So it is easy for us to know about that because there is a social media. If there is no social media, we can't know about it.
In official website, government give all that guidelines from vaccines. The people who are not knowing anything, we can go there and we can see easily. And
But I think 50% people's news watching in a YouTube, but government can't post in a YouTube, so people can create people have more confusion because people don't know about the Twitter and the website. They only are watching on YouTube and Facebook because in a Facebook and YouTube there is multiple content and metadata, so they can attract with there, so they can use a lot of.
But in COVID-19, many camp are there. People are aware to camp and they will go vaccinated there. Government is providing many things in COVID-19. We can safety purpose also there. We can put a mask and take a distance from others. It was nice and the government have aware the people and they put a news from newspaper and social media. The government providing news to others who are not knowing anything about the COVID-19. So it was easy to aware the people and they will take a distance and they use the guidelines what government provided to people.
Through social media, nowadays children suffering their eye problems, 10 years.
The problem can be solved. You can see that many countries have made laws that children under the age of 15 are not allowed. They don't have access to social media. So we can also make this rule in our country and we can solve this problem.
That but this time that students use social media to their study. So it is also affects their eyes. Advantage of social media.
And in this time, students can use a lot of social media, so it also affect their thinking ability. They can't think more, and they can use many more AI tools and explore easily, and so decrease the thinking ability.
By using social media, they can creativity and learn more skills and know AI through social media.
But your critical thinking going down.
We use in the right way, they build the thinking ability.
Students use right way to social media. They are searching how to solve any equations. They have not themselves. It is decreased their productivity. They are not thinking in deep way. They have solved and copy that points they have provided on social media.
Like child age people who are child, they are seeing the phone and using for education purpose, but parents are there and they according to guidelines of parents, parents are there with him and they always seeing him what they are doing and what they are doing for education. They always focusing to student that their child, and it was nice to improve their child growth from social media also.
It affects their eyes.
We are solve any problem in 2 seconds. Children are not thinking more, solving this problem this time. Yes, we are solving this problem.
But he said that in the mobile have an eye problem and that was happened, but parents are not allowing to child to see the mobile in
But
any
not
time.
many parents. We also busy in our careers, busy our job, so you don't.
But I personally want parents to focus on their children because in child age people want to grow our career, so it was focusing the child who are misusing the social media. So parents to child to not use the social media regular basis. We can use for only what they need.
Is it over?
Social media, if you have to see that you have to see social media's only purpose of you can grow your careers, but they affect their health problems, mental problems. They have persons are some mental and health problems. This is a disadvantage, and only it happens they have removed books. They doesn't want to read physical books. They have only go on their social media to read them. They want to read something else. Everything on increase their productivity.